Our client has challenged us to transform our population data array into an array of summaries, which follow this format. Country code has a population of population. For example, DM has a population of 60,000. We're first going to do this using the ECMAScript 5 technique. So we start off by declaring an array that's going to hold our summaries. Then we loop through the population data array containing the countries to be transformed. First, we get the population data country. Next, we want to build our summaries. So we follow the format we've been given. Country.countrycode concatenated with has a population of. And then finally, country.population. Now that we have our summary, we want to push it into the summaries array. Finally, we can inspect the result, and we see that the summaries follow the required format. So now that we've done the job using ES5, we want to do the same thing using ES6. However, before we start, we can, for reusability, extract the logic that we're going to use in ES6 as well. Notably, the logic used to make a summary, which we just encapsulate into its own function make summary, which we then reuse in the ES5 part. And as you see, we still have the same result. So now let's do the same job using ES6. So we are going to make another array, which is built by ES6. And this time we're going to use populationdata.map. Populationdata.map was introduced in ES6 as a new way of transforming data in an array from the old format into a new format. To do the job, the map function needs a transformer that will carry out the transformation. So the transformer function takes as input a country, and it returns the new data, the transformed data, in our case the summary, and we see that the result is exactly the same. So the way in which the transformer function works, just to repeat it and make sure you've got it, is it takes as input every country in the old array. It iterates country by country, gives the country to the transformer function, and then you have to do something with it, notably transform it into something else, which we then return from the transformer function. So map takes something old and transforms it into something new, and transformer function tells it how to do this job. You will often see a more concise form of this, which is the arrow function. Let's convert a transformer function into an arrow function now. We have the same result, much more concise. Since we only have one parameter, we can remove the parentheses around the parameter list, and we still have the same result. So finally, I just want to show you that we can also extract other things. So say we want to build an array of country codes. We can simply return from the transformer function country code, and we get an array of country codes.